Hello, my name is Stefano Taccetti and I am a speaker at the TÜV AUSTRIA Technology Days 2024. During Technology Days, I am going to present my research activity, illustrating which is its general objective, which methodologies I am going to follow, and describing my future activities. I hope to meet researchers and technicians who work in non-destructive evaluation and acoustic emissions field, in order to exchange information and ideas about my project topics, learning more about TÜV AUSTRIA history and procedures, and finally improving the quality of my research activity. My name is Stefano Taccetti and I am living the future at the University of Bologna and the TÜV AUSTRIA Group.